From the East Tennessee Weather Center, here's your afternoon weather update with meteorologist Mike Witcher.
Hi, everybody. Thanks for checking in with your afternoon weather update. A couple of spotty light showers, some mist, some light drizzle here or there. That's really going to be the story for the rest of the afternoon. Eventually, the remnants of Helene will continue to work their way on out here. So let's get to work with the futurecast here as we head through the rest of our afternoon. And you'll notice that we have the clouds in place. That's the story here throughout the day today. But I think we're going to see a little bit more sunshine before the day is over. And that northwesterly flow pattern is going to continue to be with us as well, which will usher in just a couple of light showers. So look off to the north and northwest. That's where the showers will be coming from, but it's not going to add up to a whole lot. Light drizzle, light showers here and there. More of a nuisance really than anything else. But as the sun starts to break here this afternoon, temperatures should climb into the upper 70s to pockets of low 80s, which is right where we should be for this time of the year. Heading into the evening hours, a nice evening. By 8 o'clock tonight, we'll be down to about 73 degrees. Now, we do have a cold front on the way. That cold front's going to move through overnight tonight, but it's a dry cold front. Doesn't really have a whole lot of moisture with it. As it moves its way on through, high pressure starts to build on in. That's going to help to warm our temperatures up. It doesn't really bring us a lot of dry air per se. That could be taking shape as we get into next week. But what this high pressure ridge in the mid-levels of the atmosphere is going to do is shift off to our south and southeast. That's going to allow another disturbance, another cold front to move its way through as we wrap up the week and start the weekend, which will bring us a chance for a couple of spotty showers. I think the best chance for seeing any sort of rainfall at all over the next 7 days, northern plateau, southern Kentucky, like that classic horseshoe that we talk about in the wintertime. The mountain counties and the mountains could see a little bit of rain, but again, it's not going to add up to a whole lot. And as we continue to look ahead through the middle part of October, our driest month of the year and drier air or drier weather is going to settle its way on in. Minimal chances for rain here over the next 5 to 7 days. I've added a 10 to 20% here or there due to the fact that we've got some disturbances, some waves, but again, just not going to add up to a whole lot of rainfall. Temperatures come up though as that ridge builds on in. We'll be at or slightly above average as we round out the week. And then we're going to be trending even cooler and drier as we get into next week as another round of another cold front anyways ushers in some more fall or more autumn-like weather. Fairly average weather expected here through the middle part of the month, so no extreme heat or cold air masses headed our way. Now, if you are having plans to head down to the Gulf of Mexico or the coastal areas anyways in the Gulf for fall break, well, we're still sitting only at a 10 to 40% chance of this becoming a tropical system over the next 2 to 7 days, so not looking likely whatsoever. Don't forget to download the East Tennessee Weather app. It's a free app download, and if you are heading on fall break, you can just go right here to the top of the app, push that little plus sign right there, and you can put in the location you're going to be traveling to stay on top of the weather forecast before you go on vacation. Plus, when you're on vacation, come back to your daily forecast weather updates, and you'll get everything you need to know as you come back from vacation about everything that's going on here in East Tennessee. East Tennessee Weather app is 100% free. It's weather all the time. We sure hope you have a great day. Your next weather update's coming up at 6 o'clock tonight.